have an old carrier split system unit running. Right here, it's faded carrier label. Let's see if I can find the data panel. There's not one over here, so I'm going to get around to the other side of here. I'm going to have to hurry because my car's getting a low battery. Here's the data panel. The model number, serial number is barely legible, but 2899362. No, it's B899. No, wait, D8992. Next, D899362. I think that's what it said. That's this carrier right here and carrier right here. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this up quickly because I don't want my camera to die on me. So yeah, a very old carrier commercial split system unit running. Over and out.